In this video I will teach you how to solve Player does not support this video format for videos you download using Vidmate app. First and foremost, go to your Vidmate app and uninstall it. Visit Google Chrome and download the old version of Vidmate, version 4.1807. Install the old Vidmate version you have downloaded. Exit the home screen and launch Vidmate app. Allow Vidmate to access photos, media and files on your device. After, click on Me just below the screen and then click on Settings. Click on Others and then toggle off Auto-update Vidmate. Now you can download any video from YouTube and all other sites without any error. You can also share your video as well as play across all video players on your PC, Android or iOS devices. You also need to ignore future updates, as any update to this app can get you this problem again. Thanks for watching. And do not forget to click the subscription button and hit the bell icon. Like, comment and share. See you next time. I'm Engineer Peter by name.